Oh, hey there. So, you might be asking yourself, what's this guy know about Asian stuff? Well, not a whole lot, but I do know how to make a damn fine Asian crispy chicken sandwich. Let's make one. Minimum of 6 hours and up to 24 hours before you cook your chicken. You're gonna brine it. Pour 1 gallon of water into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and stir. Throw in some boneless chicken breasts. Cover the bowl with cellophane. Put it in the fridge. Leave it in the fridge for a minimum of 6 hours and up to 24 hours. Fill your fryer with oil. If you ain't got a fryer, feel sorry for you, but you can also use a large pot and a thermometer. Heat your oil to 350 degrees. While your oil's heating up, grab a saucepan and pour in a 1/4 cup of sweet red chili sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Start to stir it and then realize you forgot to add 2 tablespoons of mirin, so throw that in there. Then stir it for real this time over a medium heat for 5 minutes. Remove it from heat and add 1½ tablespoons of rice vinegar, then 4 cloves of minced garlic. Mix it all together and cover it up. Hey, remember when you started brining that chicken 6 hours ago? Now go get that back out of the fridge. Now trim your chicken to the size of a hamburger bun. First we're going to make a dredge for the chicken. Use 1 cup of buttermilk. In a separate bowl, you're going to use 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of potato starch, 1 tablespoon of salt. You're going to take your trimmed chicken, dip it in the buttermilk, coat it entirely. Let it drip off a bit. Move it into your dredge. Coat all your pieces of chicken. Then coat each piece a second time. Put it back in the buttermilk and coat it again in the dredge. This is how you get all those beautiful crispy flakes. Put your chicken in the fryer and cook it at 350 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. Till it has an internal temperature of 165 degrees. While your chicken's cooking, let's make some coleslaw. Thinly slice half a head of green cabbage and throw it in the mixing bowl. Karate chop a lemon and squeeze the juice over your cabbage. Add ½ cup of kewpie mayo. Chop up some green onion and throw ½ cup or so into your bowl and mix it. Now when your chicken's nice and brown and has an internal temperature of 165 degrees, which takes about 12 to 14 minutes, you can take it out of the fryer and put it on a cooling rack. Toast your buns and put your coleslaw on it. Now pour your sauce from earlier into a mixing bowl. Dunk the chicken in the sauce and coat both sides. Put your chicken on the bun and give it a little love pat with your tongs. Put your top bun on. There's your Asian crispy chicken sandwich. That's some good stuff right here.